durable are diesel exhaust tips? Today we find that out. Will they survive a bobcat running over them? We'll find that out. When we see if they can dig dirt with an excavator, probably won't find that out today. But for now, this is just a 6-inch cheapest exhaust tip you can get off Amazon. And you know, it's 6-inch. This is just, it was off a truck I had, so I ripped down county roads with it, so that's why it's you know, kind of scratched up. Anyways, today we're gonna see how durable these tips are just by, you know, just doing a little, and you know, just a little bit of all of that kind of stuff. Ooh, that actually tore it up. That actually messed it up. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ratchet strap. We're gonna pull behind the four-wheeler. This is for later, but we gotta get a strap of some sort to pull it with. I was thinking we could use like a throttle cable or something, but I don't think I'm going to do that now. We'll get back to when we find a strap. For now, we're going to find a strap, then we're going to... By the way, this is exhaust tip durability test 1. How durable it is. Okay, it's still intact. I'll just get a full view. I got some stuff to fix the scratches too. Just, you know, when after we scratch it so many times, it's, you know, destroyed. But that was from that was a piece of gravel. That was from a trailer that I hit drifting. And then, yeah, but it's still in one piece. So next we're gonna do some run over tests. I got some stuff lined up that we can run it over with. We may, like, I don't know, try to shove a bell spike or something through it. I don't know. We'll try that, but for now, let's just take it back to the house, and we'll get back to when we get back to the house. Oh, one more thing. Okay. So now it's getting pretty scratched up, you know. So I got the chrome spray paint we're gonna fix it with, and yeah, it's chrome. But we gotta paint over this mud, you know, make it not show as bad. You know, make it all look new in there. I got some more color. Hold on. I thought that was chrome. Hold on, let me get my other paint. Got some blue. Blue spray, you know, just a little blue. That's color. Oh, this is like a pink. Paint's awful. Okay. Oh, here's some red. We need to paint our logo. TSO. We've been making diesel exhaust tips for 25 years. We know how durable our exhaust tips are. Especially when you scratch all the paint off one side. Look at all this sticking, everything sticking to it. Like you could roll it down in that grass and it would stick so bad. Got that nice outdoor finish. Country green is our next color. It's so messed up. Dude, it doesn't even look like it's scratched now because we painted it. Okay, so we're gonna paint it back chrome though. We kind of know what we're getting into. So you gotta get that grass in there. That's the outdoor feel. Gets that real outdoor smell. don't really want to get paint all over me. We want like a thick spot right there, you know, coat that dent. I think we kind of ruined this tip, guys. I mean, I was gonna do a giveaway, but I don't think anybody would want to. Comment below if you want to destroy diesel exhaust tip. So I'm gonna let that dry for a couple minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna go get the first thing we're gonna run it over with, and also hit it with the axe. So I'll be back. Ah, that thing's hard to get on. That was almost bad. Sorry about that. They were doing road work. So anyways, we gotta get the tip. And we're gonna try to run over it with the truck. So I don't know how I'm supposed to lay it in there. I was gonna lay it in there like that, but okay. Yeah. That'll work. I don't know if I run over it. Rainbow. Camp 2, 3-wheel drive. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. I didn't see that tip there. Hold on just a second. We back over that thing. Oh yeah, that one was a good one. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna try to do a burnout on it. Okay. Today we're gonna play a little golf. 4. Oh! Oh, we did it bad! Dude, we put some dents in that thing. It's like really showing now. Like where we run over it. I don't know. I think we should go from like this end. Like try to hit it there and see if it does anything. Ooh. Oh, it did do something. We did it. Now it'll go on my truck. Eat this. TSO tips are very durable. How fireproof are they? Smokey the Bear would be proud. About 40-mile-an-hour winds, lighting exhaust tips on fire. Hold on just a second, I got an idea. Don't go anywhere. Fart! Probably should put that out. It's getting pretty big. I got some. Don't worry, fire extinguisher. we're good. Don't call the fire department. We go. Oh! Ah! It's not going out. Yeah, you may have to call the fire department. Hey, the tip top of this can. Wow! Hold on, I think that's stuff that'll put it out. I didn't put it out. It's not going out. Alright. How is it making you burn hotter? We will make this yard a swamp when this goes out. We'll get back to you when we get the fire put out. Whoa, tree! That's not even made by TSO. It's made by Amazon. And I'm gonna do one more dance for the people. The thing everyone wants to see. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.